channel, my name is Rebecca Ruiz. Let's take a look into the newest Snow Pine Lodge collection by Simple Stories. This is one of their newest Winter 2024 collection. It's perfect for all your projects related with snow, but you can also use it for Christmas project because the design on the B side of the paper allows you to create other kind of project. These are the pattern papers. They are double-sided. There are 12 different designs. You can buy the collection pack or you can also buy them individually. The collection pack includes the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. Some of the papers in the collection are cut apart, like the tag paper that I'm showing you. This is the journal paper, the 3 by 4 cards, a mix of 4 by 4 and 2 by 2 cards, and the 6 by 4 cards. And this is the sticker sheet in the collection. Now let's take a look into the embellishment. These are the washi tapes. There are 5 different designs. The enamel dots, these have glitter. They are beautiful. The decorative brad, which is a mix of brads and chipboard pieces. The chipboard frames. There are 6 different chipboard frames in the pack. And these are really cute. You can use them to create shakers and also to enhance your photos. They are perfect for layouts, for mini albums, and all sort of things. They're really cute. The ribbons, 2 sheets in the pack. And this is the 6 by 8 paper pack. Some of the designs here are exclusive to the 6 by 8 pad and you cannot find them in the 12 by 12. And also you can find smaller versions of the journaling cards and the tags. Look how cute they are. And some exclusive 3 by 4 cards. There are 24 sheets of paper, 12 designs. This is the sticker book. This is a great value for your money. There are 12 sheets of a sticker and 399 different stickers here. They are thin, like washi, and you can use them as they are, but you can also add them to cardstock and cut around to create your own die cuts. These are the foam stickers, always one of my favorite, and the chipboard stickers. Now let's take a look into the die cuts. The first one is the big bits. These are really huge die cut pieces. There are 23 different pieces in this pack. You can use them in your layout, and you can also use them in your mini albums to create additional add-on pieces or to decorate the pages. They are really cute. The next one is the bits and pieces. There are 63 pieces in this pack. Different designs and different sizes. It's a good compilation of all the designs that you can use in this collection that are available. So with this pack you can create clusters and embellish a lot of projects. If you like watching this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration and for more unboxing. I always present layouts using this product, so you are going to learn how I use them. And you can find me in social media. All the links are in the description box. Isn't that cute? Don't forget to tell me in the comments what you think about these collections. This is the Sign Bits pack. There are 53 different die cut pieces here. Some of them can be used as tags and other are signs. They come in different sizes. I live in an island, so we don't have snow, and I haven't been in any places with snow yet. It's in my bucket list, but these are really cute if you have those kind of photos. The next one is the journal beads, another cute design by Simple Stories. Look how nice it is to document your stories in these pieces just by adding them to your pages or to your books. Also to use them in cards. They are really a great addition to any project with those labels and designs. This is my favorite. This is the Floral Beads. It's a huge pack with 62 die cuts. You can find individual flowers, but also you can find some floral cluster already pre-made for you. There are branches, there are leaves, there are trees, and a lot of beautiful things. I love adding flowers to my project, so this is why it is my favorite. Which one is your favorite die cut pack or favorite embellishment? Tell me in the comments, please. Now let's take a look into the sentiments beads. This pack have 47 different die cuts, some words, some label with words or phrases in different shapes, rectangle, circles, or cut around the word. It's a great way to add some words to your project. Doesn't matter, it doesn't need to be cards only. You can use them. I use them in layouts and in mini albums too. And the last one is the page pieces. You can find a double layout on the back of this pack, so you can use these pieces to create this double layout, but you can also use them to create your own design. This is all for this collection. Thank you for staying with me, and don't forget to ask your favorite retailer for this collection. Bye!